Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Breville Barista espresso machine. Now for this machine we did a bit of work. We had to replace the water pump inside the machine, and that takes quite a lot of work, as you need to remove the whole panels of the machine. You need to remove the top one and you need to remove the back one. There's screws right here, 4 on the back, there's 1 underneath the tank, and there's 2 underneath the base of the tank that are located in there. Once you remove the whole thing, it's pretty kind of hard to remove this back panel over here. You need to pry a couple of tabs around it, and then you need to be very careful with the hose that is underneath. After that, you need to really disconnect everything that is inside on the solenoid valve, and then you need to replace the water pump and put it all back together. So we did that. We also checked for other leaks inside the machine. We run a bunch of water through the entire machine. We run the steamer, we run the hot water, we run the group. We were really running a lot of water through the entire machine to make sure there were no leaks and that the water pump was working the way it's supposed to. So starting with 1 shot of espresso, we're gonna be testing out this machine. I'm gonna get more coffee since we finished the coffee that is already in the grinder. Now this coffee is a bit old, so hopefully we can still get a nice, decent shot out of it. We're using our test coffee. Perfect. I tap it a little bit. Make it a little bit better and try to level it so that way it will come out through both of the spouts and not only just one. I'm gonna lock it into position, and now I'm going to program this dual shot. As the last time I did it, it was very little quantity. So now I'm on programming mode and I'm going to program it to 2 ounces. That was pre-infusion. Now it will be extraction. As you can see, the gauge goes all the way to the espresso range and it's coming out nice and steady. Like I said, probably tamper a little bit too hard to the other side. That's why you see a better flow on one side and not on the other. As the espresso machine creates channeling through the espresso shot, we will see a more steady stream. Nice, steady, really good crema coming out on top of that espresso. That is about 2 ounces, and I will stop it right there. Now the machine will always do that quantity. As you can see, nice shot of espresso coming out of the machine. And with our test coffee. We're gonna be testing the hot water too as well. Nice and steady stream coming out of the machine. And now we'll be testing the steamer of the machine, which was one of the main problems for this machine. The steamer was not working well, and that was because the water pump was not working well, and the water pump is the one that takes care of doing everything on this machine. Alright, the machine now is up to temperature. Once the machine is up to temperature, the water pump will start pulsing. You will hear that tack, 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 tack going around it, and then you will see steam coming out through the one, and as you can see, nice and steady. Really good pressure coming out of the machine, working excellent. So there you have it, Breville Barista Espresso working once again. Thank you so much for repairing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit that like, hit that bell, and thanks for watching.